Morning! Today at Ellwood Farm Machinery we have a Ford 4000 in its original off-farm condition. Merely covered 3,500 hours, and to be honest with you, it really shows in and around. 3-point linkage, tipping trailer, but in the cab it's nice and clean and it's very blue. If you're after something blue in your life, this could be the one for you. It is cheaper than a Mrs. and easier to maintain in comparison. It will never give you lip, it will just look after you. Clean oil, nice and clean oil, as you can see. I just spilt it. We'll hop round here. Just lift its skirt up and see what's going on underneath. And this is what we can see in the hole. Very nice, clean water. Just tuck her back in. Don't want to expose everything, do we? Very tidy specimen, very tidy. It's got the standard gearbox and a working handbrake, which is unusual nowadays. Make sure everything's there, that's there. Make sure it's in neutral. Running very sweet. $3,500 hours. Simple gearbox. Get the handbrake off. There's all your gears. So we'll select low, reverse, full throttle. Moving very nicely here. It's a nice day for it. Brakes like anchors. That's first. We got second. Can't hold the phone there, John. That'll be third. Last but not least, fourth. Low box. Oh, lovely. Very good steering lock. Steering wheel is actually in very good condition because someone took the time and put tape all over it, gaffer tape by the looks of things, and it's kept it in lovely condition. It's in very good condition. Leave the tape on because it is preserving it. It's a high, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Oh, we're really going now, ladies and gentlemen. Go to the shops. Brakes, which are very, very, very sharp, will stop you with no mither, no problems. Well, the working handbrake up. Hydraulics, well, they're just perfect. All as they should be. Peter, we're going to have to hop off to show you that. The lever up here. Yeah, actually giving us a little dance, look. Giving it just a little twiggle. You simply turn it off, you pull the lever down, and she is now off. She really is showing you everything here. And she'll be a nice addition to the household. Very pretty to look at, nice to use. And very blue. As we say, we do have the doors, we just haven't fitted them. Everything's there ready to go with this tractor. It's available for UK delivery, anywhere in the UK. For more information, head to ellwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk or the Facebook page. Give us a quick bell and we can have a discussion. Which is a very tidy old girl. and she's literally ready just to go to work. And as you can see, running sweet. Oh, nice. Thank you very much.